completing the officiating crew. Si Jonah Garcia po, ang ating crew chief for today. Ball is up, and the game is underway. Game number 1 of your NCAA Season 100 Finals. Martin Aver alongside Big Bo Belga taking you through this coverage. And first touch for Justin Sanchez here. That's going to be a key matchup in these finals. Sanchez versus Concepcion. Inagawan ni Concepcion. Escamis from straight away. Nothing there. Big Bo, dito sa napan natin, we cannot judge the start of the game. Kasi kung sa una ng dalawang laban nila as Liwag scores the opening basket here, yung simula, kung sino yung lemado nung una, hindi rin nag-prevail sa dulo eh.
Oo, kumbaga hindi na maintain yung kanilang kalamangan eh. So, hindi mo pa pwedeng sabihin na pagka-upper hand ka, lamang ka na dito sa ball game natin.
But of course, both teams will welcome a fast start. Lawrence Mangubat draining it from the corner.
And hindi mo rin pwedeng sabihin na walang mga kumpiyansa itong mga batang to dahil they were on the top of the NCAA. So, top 2 teams silang dalawa. So, wala akong kumpiyansa, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin dito.
Agaw ng Mapua, Presobilia na Abuelo. Presobilia misses the layup. That is Jomel Ancheta trying to set things in order here. Liwag, nakawala. Allen Liwag had to adjust. That's great D by Mapua, but they get it back. And Sanchez says, let's wait. Allen Liwag now on the post. He is doubled automatically. Sanchez on the sidestep. He draws the first foul of the game. And that gives us a chance to go courtside for the first time. Puntahan muna natin ang side ng Mapua Cardinals. Nandito si Flo Del Agua.
Glad to be with you, Martin and Bo, as the Mapua Cardinals entered the Araneta Coliseum with one thing in mind. We are back and better than ever. Panigurado na aalala pa ng Mapua community ang sakit na dulot ng last season. But if there's anything these players have mastered throughout the process, it is turning pain into power. Itong umaga lang nabanggit sa akin ni Head Coach Randy Alcantara that the collection of their heartbreaks in the past years has built their team to be stronger at natuto na sila to invest in their players by adding more coaches, practicing in the same court before the game, and get this, nag-book pa sila ng hotel sa tabi ng ating venue to ensure proper rest. In season 99, they may have failed to rise as new heroes, pero nitong season 100, the Cardinals are set to inspire legacies, and that begins today. Are you really seeing a better Mapua team? What do you think, Martin and Bo?
Well, I think we will see a better Mapua team here. Thank you so much, Flo. At alam na ni Coach Randy ang galawan at ang tamang diskarte dito sa finals. Season 97, they lost to Letran. Last year, they lost to San Beda. They're looking to take the crown in their third finals appearance as Clint Escamis scores his first 2 points in these finals.
Ayun na nga, the reigning MVP showing who he is. First attempt niya, air ball, pero pagdating dito, sure ball na yung perimeter shot. Ayun naman, miscommunication between Sanko and Ancheta.
And this is what plagued Benilde in their loss against Mapua. Nakaraming turnovers yung Benilde doon.
Actually, in their last possession, actually they just only need to hold on to the ball. Kasi nakakuha sila ng offensive rebound eh. Pero they tend to attack it. Ito yung atake kanina ni Mangubat. Ito naman yung pull-up ni Glenn Escamis.
That's against one of the best defenders in the league in Tony Inot.
Oo, di ba? Actually, magandang matchup nito. Inot and Escamis. Offense and defense. Defender itong si Inot. Offensive kayo naman itong si Escamis. Ito, tabig ni Ancheta sa likod.
And Tony Inot will bring this one across. He is up against Clint Escamis. So sila rin yung magbabantayan dito.
Oo, masusubukan din yung depensa ni Clint Escamis dito sa
Anong sundot, Mapua completes the steal. Presobilia got the hop. Hubilia misses another layup though. Concepcion gets it back. Escamis off the spin, runs into a wall. They kick it out. Mangubat for 3. Mangubat knocks it down.
Ganda ng ball movement itong Mapua. Hindi nila ipinipilit. Meron ng attempt doon si Escamis, hinanap din sa Concepcion, pero itong si Concepcion ay medyo tentative on offense. Hinanap nakita si Mangubat sa bandang right elbow ng 3 points natin.
First time in the finals para dito kay Lawrence Mangubat, but he is embracing this moment and opportunity.
Oh, and this, ano pa siya, hindi siya coming off the bench.
Hindi.
Starter siya.
Yeah. super rookie na itong Mapua mula sa kanilang juniors program. Ngayon naman, puntahan natin ang kupunan ng Benilde Blazers. Here's a report from Alia Fideliaga.
The finals is where champions are born and legends are made. But what does it take to be a champion? For Coach Charles Hu, the formula to success is clear: teamwork, execution, and defense. He wants the Benilde Blazers to stick to the game plan, execute their plays, and defend reigning MVP Clint Escamis. Moreover, he wants the team to play like champions by finding ways to dig deep when the going gets rough. Today, the Benilde Blazers are not just vying for the title because they want to prove that they are the better team. So as the action unfolds, let's see how the Benilde Blazers will show us what champions are made of. Back to you, Martin and Bo.
Thanks, Aliyah. A report from Benilde side here. Ito namang De La Salle College of St. Benilde lost to the Letran Knights in season 98, and they've learned a lot from that experience, Big Bo.
And yun din sa anong yun. Sa season na yun, they are in the upper hand also against the underdog Letran. Kaya lang yun nga, yung experience of Letran guys, nadala nila. Dumating ng Game 3, wala si Franyo, pero walang problema para sa kanila. Pero yan nga, those heartbreak, mas lalo magpapatibay sa team mo eh. And yun, from the start of the season 100, matibay na talaga ang grupo ni Coach Charles hanggang sa pagdating sa dulo.
Sabi sa akin kanina ni Coach Paul Layog, this might be, a different personnel from their previous seasons, different core, different crew here in Ancheta, Liwag, Inot, and Sanchez. Pero iba rin yung tindig nila at kumpiyansa going into the finals.
Oo naman. And yun nga, most of these guys are first-timers sa finals.
And speaking of first-timers,
ito pa, isa pang first-timer dito sa finals natin, itong si Jumel Ancheta. Actually ako, on my view, very, very crucial ang lalaroin itong Mangubat tsaka itong si Ancheta. Kung paano nila itimon itong grupo nila.
Tresovilla, the mid-range jumper, not really his strength. Here's Ancheta. Ancheta has it. Mark Sanko sidesteps, flips it up in air. Mark Sanko scores, and Benilde cuts the lead to 3.
Kung kanina, sunod-sunod ang kanilang turnover, ngayon naman, dire-diretso na.
Escamis here surveys the floor, scanning for a teammate here. He'll take this one off the dribble against Justin Sanchez. Escamis, yes, off the bench for the reigning rookie MVP, and Mapua gets a faster start here in the first. They're up by 5 heading into this timeout.
It's a very different team right now. Of course, we grew to love that team. We were together for a while. Now, completely new. I mean, I probably have 10, 11, maybe even more new players. I can't even count. So, different look. But I like the group of guys that we have also. I mean, obviously, we're losing a lot of really good players. So, hopefully, other guys can step up and help us win.
Siguro, masasabi ko mako-contribute ko para sa team na to kung ano yung missing piece ng team namin. Doon ako fulfill. Hindi na ako para makipagpasikatan sa mga iba kong kasama. Yun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, yung ego namin, kumbaga sinanglana namin kay Coach. Siguro, masasabi ko, worth it din kaming peace kasi hindi naman din kami...
Balik sa ating laban, and look at this play, Mark Sanko on the move, the sidestep, and finishing with his offhand. And that champ moment of the game is brought to you by Milo. Get winning energy every day with Milo. Early production from Mark Sanko today, the team captain of the Benilde Blazers. But they're down by 5 here, as it has been the Escamis and Mangubat show for Mapua so far.
Oo, silang dalawa lang eh. Both these guys have 6 apiece. Na total para dito sa 12 itong Mapua.
Here's Tony Inot. Quiet so far in the game. Turnover count natin. 5 na para dito sa Benilde Blazers. And we're only almost halfway through the first. Ito pa, pang-anim. 2-on-2 break. JC Recto, kakapasok lang. Instant production for JC Recto.
Instant offense agad. Pagpasok ng JC Recto, nag-commit ang turnover itong St. Benil. Dire-diretso itong si Concepcion tsaka si Recto. Matik para sa kanila.
JC Recto was instrumental for Mapua last year against San Beda. And that's going to be a foul on the other side against Mapua. Tignan natin itong play na to. Two-man game on the move. JC Recto, kakapasok lang. Diba, announcing his entry in the game. That amazing play from JC Recto is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McAfee Ice Coffee Cold Brew Premier Blend. McDonald's, love ko to.
Wala nang kailangang warm-up dito kay JC Recto. Pagpasok, matik na.
Alan Liwag ay hirapan dito. Ito mga double team na binabato sa kanya ng Mapua. Gumagana so far. Ancheta!
Oy!
Difficult shot is good for Ancheta.
Kung kanina nagawa ni Escamis yung one-on-one offense niya, ito naman si Ancheta. Kung kaya mo, kaya ko rin yan.
Jomel Ancheta showing us the confidence here in his first finals appearance. Ito si Abonete. Pick and roll. Oh, what a pass. Recto inside. Good unselfishness shown by the Cardinals.
Ganda. They just ran a simple ball screen between Abonete at itong si Escamis. Nag-show yung tao. Ito yung one-on-one kanina ni Ancheta. Maganda na yung depensa ni Mangubat pero mas maganda yung offense mo Ancheta.
Pareho yung play na yun, ha? Maganda yung bantay sa kanya. Pero ginagawa niya ng paraan. And this is gonna be a problem now for the Blazers because they did not get all of those wins by doing one-on-one plays. They're the top team when it comes to assists. One of the most unselfish teams that we have in the league. So talagang dapat lahat nasa sistema.
And yun ang kailangan ma-recognize din ni Aling Liwag. They've been giving him the ball at the post. Kailangan niya ma-recognize kung paano niya ipapasa sa libre. Dahil pag inantay niya na yung double, siyempre, dadami yung kamay. Magiging apat yung sa'yo eh. Kailangan mo maipasa ng maayos yun for them to have a domino effect na makikita yung mga libre.
So, tignan natin kung magagawa yan ng Benil in the next play. But JC Recto will have one more free throw here. So, Recto, not even a minute. Naka-isang minuto naman na. Ito si JC Recto. A minute and 17. But early production so far. Remember, in games 2 and 3 of last year's finals, ito yung inasahan ng Mapua. He was a walking double-double in those games.
Kaya naman pagdating dito sa game 1 natin, hindi na kailangan na warm-up dito. May experience na to. I-apply niya na lang yung mga natutunan niya in the previous, in the last season. Kaya naman, hindi na po problemahin ito.
Kung may playoff pa Yossi, meron ding finals Recto, ano?
Diba?
Inot misfires. Habonete.
Inasahan siya eh.
Yeah. Ito, may tawag tayo. This is gonna be against John Habonete. First year big man mula sa Sesafi. Itong si Habonete. His playing time decreased in the second round, Big Bo.
Hindi. Dahil nga maganda ang nilalaro nito ni Hubilia, first thing. Tapos yung nilalaro ni Concepcion. And yung dalawang yun, nag-convert nila sa 4 and 5 position eh. Kaya kahit na si Egliani nasa labas, pwede mo pagsabayin yung dalawang yun eh. Tapos bumalik pa itong si Recto. Kaya medyo bumaba talaga.
Ayun na naman. Carrying Benil on his back here in the first. He's got 6 points so far. Grabe yung kumpiyansa dito ni Jomel Ancheta. 4-point advantage for the Cardinals. Escamis stops, takes, and hits. 8 points in the first for Escamis.
Winave off niya yung yung screen eh. Hindi, akin na to. Gagawin ko ng paraan to. Ayun na naman.
Escamis is ahead of the back, and he is gone. 10 first quarter points for the reigning rookie MVP.
And ito na yung pinakamalaking kalabangan natin. 8 points para dito sa Mapua.
Alin Liwag. Kailangan na magtrabaho ni Liwag, pero mintis yung tira niya. And Mapua runs with it again.
They're really securing the rebound. Hindi nila binibigyan.
When he's hot, he's hot. Escamis is in the zone.
Grabe. Speaking of kumpiyansa, marami siya. Itong si Clint.
Here's the pass inside. Allen Liwag.
Ayun na.
Puts it up and in. Only the
Kanina pa
second
nila.
basket, yeah.
Kanina pa nila sinusubukan yung post-up ni Allen Liwag niya. They're not successful on the first few possessions, pero kanina sinecure na ni Allen Liwag.
Ito, timeout muna tayo.
So yun, last year ko, so bigla pumasok si Coach Allen, siya nag-coach sa amin. Talagang inabsorb ko ang sistema niya. So una, dapat sa katawan ko, dapat i-angkop ko. So nagbawas ako ng weight para makasabay ako sa sistema niya.
Ito, transition, bago yung leadership, bago yung head coach, bago yung mga assistant coaches. Andito pa kami dun sa stage na nagbibuild pa kami ng habits dun sa mga players namin.
Naka-mindset na sa amin na hindi pwede maulit yung nangyari sa amin last season. Gigil na gigil kami, bawat isa sa amin, minomotivate namin. Saka every practice talaga, nagko-compete kami. Yun, yung preparation namin.
Ito, si Chris Hobilia, one of the players to watch in these games. Only in his rookie season here in the NCAA. Pero grabe yung ipinakita niya dito sa season 100. And definitely against the big men and against the wing players of the Benilde Blazers, kakailanganin ang produksyon ni Hobilia.
Oo, matik to. And kumbaga, rookie man ito dito sa seniors. Sa juniors, veteranong-veterano to. Kung ano yung ini-stats niya rito sa seniors, mas malala ang stats niya sa juniors. Kaya hindi mo masasabing bata pa to, bagito pa to. Walang ganun-ganun dito kay Chris Hobilia.
Angat na angat yung laro ni Hobilia. In his lone season with the Red Cubs, 21-13. The Cardinals are coming off a timeout. Bagsak si Escamis. And this will be called against Gabby Cometa.
Oo.
So first foul on Gab Cometa. You know, Gab has been coming off the bench, part of the second unit nitong Benilde Blazers. Pero parati siya nung napakalaking bench point na ibinibigay per game
Oo, actually.
ng Benilde. Tommy Shebio, or Antonio Shebio rather, is also in the ball game as Manghubat misfires. They get it back though. This is gonna be key for Mapua. They don't dominate the boards, pero yung hustle nila sa offensive rebounds, laging nandun.
Oo, yun naman ang positive sa kanila. Hindi sila ganun kalakas sa rebounding, pero pagdating dun sa defensive rebound, pagdating sa offensive rebounding, dun naman sila advantage with Abonete, Concepcion, Hobilia, pagbalik ni Recto.
Ian Torres misses. Here's the save by Abonete, and Manghubat ends up with it. Escamis now has the basketball. Escamis pull-up jumper.
Wow.
Got it again for 14 points for Clint Escamis.
Grabe. Wala ka nang masasabi dito kay Clint Escamis. Hindi maganda gising nito. Ito, sobrang ganda lang. At ito.
Perfect anticipation. Escamis all the way. And the foul. Clint Escamis is putting on a show, and he gives Mapua their largest lead here in the first. Look at this. Simple, getting to his spot. Unbothered is the reigning rookie MVP. He is out for blood, Big Bo.
15-17 footer para dito kay Escamis. Matik eh. Yung mga ganyan.
How about Clint Escamis today? First quarter, 16 na. This is his average.
First
the
quarter
season.
pa lang. First quarter pa lang, 16 na.
Ayun na, 17. Naipasok pa niya yung free throw. So lagpas na. And Mapua doubles up on Benilde, 26-13. The Cardinals are just coming out with a different energy here in the finals. Let's see if Benilde will weather the storm.
And 7 out of 8 sa field goal itong si Clint Escamis. Ang una niyang minitis, yung unang tres niya. After that, 7 straight na.
At yun yung malaking question mark para kay Clint Escamis this season at least. Yung efficiency niya from the field.
Kasi taas baba eh. Maganda. Pagdating ng court dun sa babangpak. Pero dito, sobrang ganda.
And Clint Escamis really putting on on a show here in the first quarter of game number 1. Hang time, bucket, and the foul. Telling the fans, relax.
Chill lang daw.
First pa lang.
And tulad kayo yung sinasabi namin kanina, di ba? In their first 2 meetings, upper hand yung isa, nakakahabol yung isa. Di ba? So, hindi ka pwede magkumpiyansa rito. And it's game 1 of the finals. Di ba? So, talagang kung matidikdik mo, idiin mo ng talagang baon na baon, hindi makakabangon.
At natuto na itong Mapua from their experience last year.
Oo.
Kasi may mga moments doon na sila yung abante at mukhang makukuha na nila yung championship. Pero nakahako ng San Beda.
Oo, nagagawa ng paraan ng San Beda naman. And yun naman yung mga kailangan mong iwasan dito. Kasi nga, very crucial itong game 1 na to. Pagdating ng game 2, kumpiyansa lang, marami ka nun dahil upper hand ka. In case na matalo ka man, you still have game 3 to survive. Pero itong game 1 na pinaka-crucial.
Oh, Eusebio staying with Cuenco. Recto from straight away. All air for JC. And Benid will get it back. Importante itong last 29 and change for the Blazers as they try to inch closer before the quarter ends. Nico Meta, kailangan ng bola. Torres over to Eusebio. We have about a 6-second difference between the shot and the game clock. Only for 3. And only knocks it down.
Kailangan din na St. Benilde yung ganyan. Dahil nga, if you were making a basket, eto naman, counter steal para dito sa CSP.
And Gabi Cometa finishes with the left hand. A 5-0 run for the Blazers to end the first frame. And they cut down the lead to just 6 points, 26-20. But it is still the Mapua Cardinals with the upper hand going into the second frame. Darating po yan sa ating pagbabalik dito lang sa GMA.